Hi YouTube, what is up? Untitled Boy here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a huge mystery box for you guys today. This box is actually $4,150. A banger of a box, man. Very high tier, very expensive, and it should be a lot of fun, man. Before I start the unboxing though, I do want to let you guys know that the giveaway that's going on right now in the month of April, the Dream Shoe giveaway, is ending tomorrow. So make sure you guys put in your last entries if you guys didn't enter already. I partnered up with the Sneak City to give away a $500 pair of your dream sneakers. So if you guys ever wanted a pair of sneakers, this is the time to enter, guys. Up to $500, anything you want. It can be Yeezys, Jordans, whatever it is. And it's really easy to enter because all you have to do is go to the video over here and follow the directions on that video. It was super simple. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, follow me at Untitled Hawaii, and also follow at the Sneak City on Instagram, and then also comment your dream sneaker on that previous video. The winner will be announced in the community tab of the channel, so make sure you guys hit the notification bell as well. That way you guys will get the announcement that there was a post in the community tab and you guys will know if you won. And this box is actually purchased from the Sneak City, and we opened up a previous box from them that was really good. If you guys live out in Washington, make sure you guys make the trip over to the Sneak City once they open up, all the quarantines and stuff are done. That way you guys can check out the shop. It's a really dope shop. Also, interesting kind of box, man. It's like not normally like this. You know how our boxes are usually wide and stuff? This one's just really tall, so this will be a first for the channel as well. Okay, and so let's get into this box. First things first, we have a shoe box over here. This one is a Nike Waffle Sakai in a size 11. And for this shoe, oh, it's the new Sakais. Okay, this is gonna be a first on the channel as well. I haven't seen these new Sakai since they released, and it looks like this one is in dead stock condition, which is really dope. Nylon, because there is a lot of nylon running over the upper over here. Very interesting shoe. It is a collaboration between Sakai and Nike. You guys can see that double Nike logo over here. But the really interesting thing on this version is this shoelace right here. This ribbon makes it look a little bit too feminine in my opinion, so I wouldn't want to wear that for myself. But maybe for other people, they do like that kind of look. I think I might like the nylon pair actually better than the original version, which is strange, I know. Hot take, but this one is actually pretty clean. But if I don't end up keeping it, then make sure you guys check out untitledhawaii.com. That's where I sell all of these shoes. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, this is not just a sneaker mystery box. It's a sneaker slash like Hypebeast mystery box. So there's a mix of shoes and also a mix of, I think, like Supreme, Bape, all of that kind of stuff. The Sneak City not only specializes in sneakers, that's why they also have like vintage Supreme stuff and newer Supreme stuff. Actually, Sup Fed, that's probably where her name came from, Sup as in Supreme. So she has a lot of rare Supreme stuff. So this box is like a mix of both of the Hypebeast stuff and the sneaker stuff as well. So let's actually check out some of the Hypebeast stuff. This one right here, wow, really nicely wrapped actually too. This one is a shirt of some kind, it looks like. Oh, maybe not a shirt. This looks like a sweater. You guys can check it out. Some kind of like bulldog Supreme thing. Has a Supreme logo over here. Lila, do you want your bulldog friend? You see the bulldog? You want this? No? You scared? You scared of the bulldog? Okay. Okay, go down. Thank you. Yeah, this is really interesting. I'm not a big Supreme person, so I don't really know if this is like rare or not. It says Supreme 05, so I'm guessing this is like more of a vintage piece, and it does look like it's worn. So that is something you can't really sell like on StockX because it's definitely not dead stock. But if you guys are into vintage Supreme and stuff, this is a shop that you guys want to take a look at, man. Next thing out looks like another Supreme thing over here. Oh, okay. So we have a Comme des Garçons CDG Supreme box logo over here, man. I've seen this before actually, so I know what this one is. This one is in a size large, and it also looks like it's slightly worn, but that's okay because I might end up keeping this, man. This is actually pretty dope. I always like the Supreme CDG collabs because they just have like a really interesting take on like box logos and stuff like that. So this one is pretty dope. Also smells really good for a pre-owned shirt. So that's how you guys know she actually takes care of the product, because this is definitely clean and it's not something that she just bought and then like didn't take care of. So pretty cool over here, and I know these have very good value as well. We can get back into shoes now. This one right here is a Nike SB box. And for this one, we have a size 9.5 Nike Dunk High. What pair do we have here? I can't remember what these things are called, man. I want to say that this is like some kind of like galaxy colorway because it has like a starry vibe going on. Or maybe it's called like a poor man's Blinks because it has like a Nike like Air Yeezy kind of vibe as well with that pink over here and that glow in the dark sole. So yeah, very interesting. I want to check if it is BS though. because it looks like it is brand new. I'm pretty darn sure this is DS. You guys can check it out over here and help me out. Like I mentioned, it does have like that kind of galaxy vibe, so there's some star patterns over here. Also, this is really sick. This pink is like the exact same color as the Air Yeezy 1, so this is pretty cool. You guys can check out the bottoms as well. I'm assuming these are glow in the dark. It doesn't look like they're worn. No star loss over here and no heel drag. So I'm guessing this is a DS pair. Also no toe box creasing over the top over here. This might fetch a lot of money. You guys know that the SB market is coming back in full force. So I'm guessing this is a hot seller. I'm just not really sure. But yeah, I'm sure the counter is definitely saying a good price up there. All right, another shoe box in here, man. This one is a Nike Dunk High again. Okay, we got a lot of dunks in this one. Size 9. Looks like an older box. Whoa, interesting. Okay, this is definitely an older shoe. This looks like a UNC Dunk High. Let me check what year this is, because this looks definitely older. 2001, man. 2001 this shoe came out. That is crazy. So we have a 2001 pair of a Nike Dunk High, and I think the UNC colorway, it looks pretty darn close to UNC. This thing is in really, really good condition, man. Leather on this thing is actually insane too. People want to talk about Jordan 1 leather quality. This leather is really good considering that it's 20 years old now. Bottom's a little bit worn, so it has been worn in the past, but again, the condition overall is insane on this thing. Definitely a great value right here. Okay, and a couple more things in this box. Looks like we have 3 more items. This one is another Supreme box logo, it looks like. Is this worn as well? This looks like it's worn as well. Size large, and I'm guessing this is like some kind of like red wine box logo or something. I'm not sure. I don't know my box logos, but if you guys are Supreme experts, let me know, because I have no idea what this is, but it has like that red on red, so I'm gonna call it the Red October box logo. I don't know. But yeah, definitely a little bit more worn. I'm not sure if you guys can see it in the camera, but I'm assuming this is a pretty rare piece right here. So I got to figure out like the pricing and stuff, and that's kind of the hard part with like Hypebeast clothing. I have no idea about the pricing. There's not like a StockX or like a Goat app that can show me exactly what prices are. So you kind of got to like use eBay and stuff, which kind of sucks. I don't like eBay, but I got to figure out the prices of like worn Supreme. So we'll figure it out. It'll be on the web store. A lot of box logos. That's pretty dope. All right, so a couple more pieces in here. This one. Whoa. Man, okay, we have a crazy box right here. This is a Louis Vuitton box, as you guys can see. I've never opened actually this kind of Louis Vuitton before, so this is weird. Dude, I'm getting nervous. I'm starting to think that this might be like Louis Vuitton Supreme collab, which would be crazy. Okay, paper. Dude, wow, no way, man. This is insane. This is the Supreme Louis Vuitton collab. It really is. What the heck? That is wild. Holy F. This is insane, guys. This is wild. So you guys can check it out over here. Supreme Louis Vuitton collab, guys. Has that Supreme running across the front over here, and also the Louis Vuitton print. This one, I don't even know how to check the size tag of this, and I'm also like kind of holding it like gingerly because I'm scared, because I know this is worth a lot of money. So this is kind of sick. Where's the tag on here? I'm not sure. I want to say that this is slightly worn, but the quality of this one is actually really, really solid as well. And this is a piece that you guys know is obviously super hype. Like, this thing will only keep going up in value. So like, the thing with Supreme, kind of like sneakers, is that even when you wear it, if you guys take good care of it and you guys make sure you guys like clean it and stuff really well, it holds its value and can actually go up in value even though it's worn. So I have to check on this one, man. No idea what the size is and stuff, but yeah, this is crazy to see, dude. I'm like kind of floored. I'm like touching it so like daintily, because like even when I walk into like Hypebeast stores and stuff, I still feel like out of place. So I don't like touching anything, because it makes me wonder like, oh, if you touch it, you have to buy it, you know, like that kind of like strange anxiety feeling. So yeah, obviously I'm not good with high fashion. So yeah, very, very cool right here though. And so we actually have one more thing in this box. It looks like a shoe box over here. This one is an older Nike box, size 10.5, Dunk High. Dunk High Supremes. Please let this be what I think it is. Dude, what? That's crazy. Well, there's Supreme box logos in here. I guess those are freebies, but this is insane. We have a pair of the Dunk High Supremes in the orange colorway, man. Dude, and this is in really, really good condition. Holy F, this is sick. I used to have the entire set of these back in 2017, and like a fool, I ended up selling them, which was probably the worst mistake. I think I sold them for like an average of 500 bucks a pair. Now they're going for like almost 2 grand. So I know this thing is worth a lot of money, and you guys really just got to check it out, because this is a really sick shoe. Nike Dunk Supreme High in the orange colorway. Obviously iconic because it has a star pattern on the mid panel over here. It has like that kind of like snakeskin pattern going over the leather on this backside as well. On the laces, I'm not sure if this is called like a lace lock, but this metal piece right here actually says Supreme running over the shoe, which I think is pretty cool. Along with like these stars, this is definitely the other like identifier for this shoe, so very cool to see, man. Also looks like it has the extra laces in here, black and orange, so that's also cool. And really just a very clean pair of Dunk Highs. I think this came out in like 2004, so 16 years old. These things are almost impossible to find in good condition now, so definitely a grail for a lot of people. This was a very interesting box, guys. A lot of box logo stuff and also a lot of Supreme stuff, which was really cool. So we got a lot of box logos, we got a lot of sneakers, and for $4,000, I want to say it was definitely worth the money, man. The shoes themselves are great, but I think the value is definitely in the clothing, especially that Supreme Louis Vuitton. That's got to be at least $1,000, maybe even more. So I know we came out on top of this one for sure. Definitely a banger, and Sneak City did not disappoint at all. Again, don't forget to enter the giveaway, guys. That is ending tomorrow. You guys still have a chance to enter. I'll put all of the information down in the description below, and one lucky winner will walk away with a $500 pair of their dream sneakers. And make sure you guys have that notification bell on lock so you guys don't miss who the winner is. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoot!